a lot of people really get stuck in their mind of like, is this a good deal or not, right? Is this really a good deal? And so today I thought that'd be the answer to, this is the way to answer the question, is to learn how to run the deal analysis and to look at it. Now, remember that we are in secondary and tertiary markets, right? So it's a different type of, these are different types of deals. So these are not like, huge big deals or anything like that. And he lives in Alabama, which is which is mostly tertiary market, right? Just like Georgia. So Atlanta is the only real major primary market in Georgia, right? And so there's a couple of, and actually Alabama really has very small primary markets, right? So Birmingham, Mobile, they all have like maybe a small primary market, but it's mostly secondary to tertiary markets, right? So, which is typical on like every state. And so I think what we'll do is we'll pull up his deal, we'll look at the numbers, and then we'll hear his story and try to figure out whether or not this is a good deal. Because this is basically his question as I talked to him in coaching today. He said, look, I'm not having a hard time at all finding deals. What I'm doing is having a hard time trying to figure out if this is a good deal or not.